Sa picture na ito, regional director pa sila ng Region 10. Matagal na po ba kayong magkakilala?
在这个图片呢，在这个照片，您说你们是认识了很久，对吗？这个警长，
他在嘉阳工作的时候我们认识的。
Yes, when he was still in Cagayan as the director, we know each other.
And Mr. Yang, alam nyo ba, meron kayong warrant of arrest mula sa China para sa fraud?
请问杨先生，您是否知道，您从中国有这个逮捕令，就是为了这个欺诈的这个案件有逮捕令
我不知道。
？I am not aware.
You're not aware. Well, yung mga law enforcement authorities namin, yung mga high officials namin sa gobyerno, alam nila yung mga bagay na yun. So, in relation to the photos I talked to you about, I really wonder what our high officials in government are doing, fraternizing with a wanted fugitive. At ito kaugnay nung statement na binasa kanina, it's not just about integrity, which is the most important thing, but also the perception of integrity.